Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see regarding the psychosocial developmental theories. Psychosocial developmental theories, these are proposed by the Erik Erikson. So this is also called as an Erik Erikson psychosocial development of theories. Erik Erikson psychosocial developmental theory. So according to him, how the individual is going to mingle within a society means how the individual is going to interact within a society by his interest and the opinions. So this was proposed by the Erik Erikson. So here we'll see the stages and in a basic conflict. In the infancy, the age group of infancy is in a birth to 18 months. Age group of infancy is birth to 18 months. In this stage, the child is going to develop the trust versus mistrust, and early childhood, the age group of this is 2 to 3 years. In this stage, the child is going to develop an autonomy versus shame and doubt. So next is preschoolers. Preschoolers, the children who are not yet going for the schools. In this stage, preschoolers, the age group 3 to 5 years. Basic conflict is an initiative versus guilt, and school age 6 to 11 years, industry versus inferiority, adolescence 12 to 18 years, identity versus rule confusion, young adulthood 19 to 40 years, intimacy versus isolation, and middle adulthood 40 to 65 years, generativity versus stagnation, and maturity 65 to till death, and ego integrity versus despair. So here next we'll see the in detail explanation regarding these stages and conflicts. So in the infancy, birth to 18 months, in this age group, the children are going to develop the trust on the caretakers. Okay, yaar baby the care tagodirtara our ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, the baby is going to develop the trust. Okay, ಅವರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಂಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. When this trust fails, the baby may move down to mistrust, means they will stop to believing the caretakers. Okay, that is trust versus mistrust. Here, children develop a sense of trust when a caregivers provide a reliable care and affections. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೇರ್ ಟೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೇಬಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಕೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲವ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಎನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್. ವೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಕೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲವ್ is going to stop, it may leads to the mistrust, means child ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ the caretakers ನ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, it will stops to believing them. So next is early childhood. In this age, in this stage means the 2 to 3 years children are going to develop the autonomy versus shame and doubt. Autonomy is nothing but a self-governing. Okay, autonomy is nothing but self-governing. In this stage, children need to develop a sense of personal control over a physical skills and a sense of independence. Success leads to the autonomy. When it fails, it may lead to the shame and doubt. Okay, self-governing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು 2 to 3 years children ಸೇರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ they are going to govern the others. So when this governing fails, they may have the shame on them and doubt regarding whatever they does. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋನಮಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಗವರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಗವರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಅನ್ ಶೇಮ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಶೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್, ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮೇ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ದ ಡೌಟ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೌಟ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. And next is preschoolers. In this age group, the age group of the preschoolers is 3 to 5 years. In this age group, the basic conflict is an initiative versus guilt. Okay, initiative means the ability to control, the ability of the child. Initiative versus guilt, that is 3 to 5 years children ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅದರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ಈಗ ಆಟೋನಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರಾನೇ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಅಬಿಲಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, 3 to 5 years ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಮೇ ಫೀಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಚ್ ಅಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. Okay, when this initiative fails, the child will let down to the guilt. Okay, he may feel that guilt regarding whatever the activity fails. So next is school age. In this, the age group of this school age is 6 to 11 years. Here, industry versus inferiority. Industry versus inferiority is nothing but industry means they will keep on working, and inferiority is nothing but being lower. Being lower means the child feels that I'm not like others, means I'm not having the strength like others. So in this industry versus inferiority, children need to cope with new social and academic demands. Success leads to a sense of competence, while failure leads to the feeling of inferiority. Okay, children ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ in this age industry ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 6 to 11 years ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಿಯರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಅನ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಿಯರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ವೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಫೇಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ಸ್ ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಿಂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಡೋಲಸೆನ್ಸ್, the age group of adolescence is 12 to 18 years. In this age group they will develop the identity versus rule confusions. Identity antandre 12 to 18 years. Okay, identity versus rule confusions. Here teens need to develop a sense of self and personal identity. Success leads to ability to stay true themselves, and failure leads to the rule confusions. Okay, here teens and the teenagers they are planning to develop an identity. Once the identity fails, the child teens may get down to the role confusions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಮ್ಮದೊಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. So next is young adulthood. So that is the age group of this is 19 to 40 years. In this age group, the individual may develop the basic conflict, that is an intimacy versus isolation. Intimacy versus isolation. Here the meaning of intimacy is nothing but having the close relationship with others. Close relationship. Isolation is nothing but separation. Okay. In this age group, the individual may develop. Young adults need to form an intimate, loving relationship with other people, and success leads to a strong relationship, while the failure may result in a loneliness and isolations. Okay, even 19 to 40 years intimacy means the individuals may develop a close relationship with others, means they will become they are going to love other persons. Once the intimacy fails, the individual may go for the isolation, means he is going to separate from that relationship. Okay, ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ನಿಂದ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್. ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 40 to 65 years. So here the basic conflict is generativity versus stagnation. Generativity is nothing but engaging in act. Okay, engaging in act, and stagnation is nothing but lack of activity. Lack of activity or the decreased growth and development. Okay, 40 to 65 years alli enagutte the individual may engage in his activity, and stagnation is nothing but a lack of activity or the decreased growth and development. In this age group, the individual is having, the adults need to create or nurture values that will outlast them, means often by having the children are creating a positive change that benefits other peoples, and success leads to the feeling of unfulness and accomplishments, while the failure results in a shallow involvement in the world. Okay, illenagutte generativity. At this age group, the individuals are going to have the family responsibilities. Okay, family responsibilities ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Otherwise they are going to develop nurture values. Nurture values ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ they are going to develop. Once this generativity fails, he may have the stagnations. This is nothing but a lack of activity, means ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ that activities ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ is going to decrease those activities, those that is called as stagnations. Okay, maturity in the age group is 65 to till that. In this, individual is having the basic conflict that is ego integrity versus despair. Okay, ego integrity versus despair. Integrity is nothing but being honest. Being honest versus despair is nothing but death. Okay, so here older adults need to look back on life and feels a sense of fulfillment. Success at the stage leads to the feeling of wisdom. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, older adults ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, old age peoples ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ, they will look back them to them previous life. Okay, the previous life ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಏನು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, they keep on remembering in this stage. Okay, means also they are trying to become honest to the other persons, and also they keep on doing the more social activities. Okay, and it may leads to the so once the ego integrity fails, the individual may go led down to the despair. So this is the in detail explanations regarding the psychosocial developmental theories are the Erik Erikson's psychosocial developmental theory, that is trust versus mistrust, autonomy versus shame and doubt, initiative versus guilt, industry versus inferiority, identity versus rule confusion, intimacy versus isolation, generativity versus stagnation, ego integrity versus despair.